Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today on Buy Smart, we have a showdown between two titans of the AMD Ryzen family, the Ryzen 75800X and its slightly younger sibling, the Ryzen 75700X. Which one offers better value, performance, and overall bang for your buck? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The AMD Ryzen 75800X is priced at around $449, while the Ryzen 75700X is a more budget-friendly option at approximately $319. If saving money is a priority, the 5700X is already a winner in this category. When it comes to performance, both of these processors are powerhouses. The 5800X promises elite 100+ FPS in popular games, while the 5700X also delivers ultra-fast 100+ FPS. According to Amazon reviewers, the 5800X offers significant performance gains in gaming and multitasking, making it a recommended upgrade for Zen 2 users. On the other hand, the 5700X is praised for its smooth gaming performance and fast video editing capabilities, making it a versatile and reliable choice. Both the Ryzen 75800X and 5700X come with 8 cores and 16 threads, making them excellent for multitasking. Whether you're running multiple applications, editing videos, or gaming, both CPUs can handle the load without breaking a sweat. Reviewers appreciate both processors for their efficiency and ability to manage demanding tasks. In terms of max boost clock speeds, the 5800X hits 4.7 GHz, while the 5700X is just slightly behind at 4.6 GHz. That 0.1 GHz difference is minimal and unlikely to be noticeable in everyday use. Reviewers of the 5800X are particularly impressed with its ability to boost up to 5.1 GHz under optimal conditions, highlighting its superior performance. Both processors come without an included cooler, so you'll need to invest in a high-performance cooler to keep them running optimally. Reviewers note the 5800X runs cool under load with the right cooling setup, while the 5700X is also noted for its energy efficiency and reliable performance. Lastly, both the Ryzen 75800X and 5700X are compatible with the AM4 socket and support PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards. This makes them both future-proof and ready to rock with the latest tech. No clear winner here, as both offer excellent platform support. In summary, the AMD Ryzen 75800X is praised by reviewers for its elite gaming performance, significant multitasking capabilities, and overall value. It's seen as a powerful upgrade for those looking to enhance their gaming and workstation tasks. On the other hand, the Ryzen 75700X is highly recommended for its smooth gaming performance, energy efficiency, and versatility. It's considered a cost-effective option for users seeking a reliable and powerful processor without breaking the bank. So what's the verdict? If you've got extra cash to spare, the Ryzen 75800X is a powerhouse. But if you want nearly the same performance at a more affordable price, the Ryzen 75700X is a fantastic choice. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another epic showdown. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.